As I said in the previous video, I honestly think you're going to find some real eye-opening strategies in this course. And these are things that I've never actually explained and been open with people in this much detail before. I have suggested in my Facebook group, go and try this, go and try that. Look what it's doing for me. It's working for me, it'll work for you, hopefully. And I've told them to do that, but I've never really explained the psychology behind why they should be doing it and why it works and why it's actually incredibly important to get doing it if you're not doing it already. Now, these major eye-openers are going to come later in the course. But that does not mean that you should go and skip to the end, because I want you to watch this all the way through. You're going to learn some really cool stuff right from the beginning. We're going to talk about topics that range from the obvious, such as negotiation, to the not so obvious and literally hardly ever talked about in the online marketing Shopify space. And as I said, as I keep saying, you're in for a real eye-opener near the end. I promise you that. I 100% believe that you're about to learn something completely new, and you're gonna learn why this particular strategy works so well. As I said, you're gonna learn the psychology behind why this works and why you should be doing it if you aren't already. And when you find out what I'm talking about, I honestly think you'll think, well, why haven't I been doing that since the beginning? Why didn't I start to do that sooner? And I hope you're ready. I hope you're excited and very intrigued to hear what I'm talking about. If you're ready, let's begin our countdown of the 10 things that took me from 6 to 7 figures.